The nCamp 5-piece kitchen to go includes some of the basic things you'll need for your outdoor kitchen. This set comes with a durable case, a prep surface, a multi-fuel stove, a gas adapter, and cafe. The case includes a handle, a pocket for storing small items, and straps to attach our coffee maker or water bottle.
FIREBOX is a true folding stove with hinged panels. The upwards angle creates flame velocity, and crossing the sticks creates turbulence. As soon as the flames go out, I'll put the steak on. Which is going to be awesome.
Oh look, it fits perfect.
It does fit perfect.
Then you just pull the trailer out for one day and come back to
Creates the perfect 1-inch headspace.
Have you ever thought about how much energy lies around you? In a forest, in the woods, in all the waste you can find? Did you ever wish you could use that energy instead of carrying uncomfortable gas tanks or trying to ignite a bonfire? It is definitely charming, but it is also smoky and dangerous. Now you can stop dreaming about it because we made it real. Enki Stove Wild is a revolutionary camp stove which can run with any kind of dry biomass. All you need is some branches, a small battery, or even a solar panel. What makes all the magic possible is a well-known technology named pyrolysis. But unlike traditional pyrolytic stoves, we found a way to make the process simple, stable, smoke-free, and totally awesome. Take a traditional fire. It burns strongly, but it wastes a lot of energy in smoke, while smoke itself has a lot of energy. What we do is transform all the biomass into energy. This way you get a clean and reliable flame wherever you want and for free. Yes, free energy. I'm talking about a powerful and professional flame you can use to cook for real and grill as a pro. Do you know which is the best part of all this? Using your stove, you're not only saving the environment, all the waste produced by the gas tanks or the production of charcoal, you're also avoiding the production of any pollution responsible for the greenhouse effect. But wait, there's more. What remains inside your stove when the fire is gone is a wonderful biochar, an incredible active charcoal that makes the ground better and more fertile. We designed our stove to be the best companion of your outdoor adventure. It is minimal, it is compact, and all the design features are strictly linked to its operation. We made it in 2 sizes to let you choose between portability and personal use, or base camp and a lot of power. Everything is made in Italy using the best materials to create a product that is really going to last forever. Enki Stove Wild has been made to let you live your adventures with a deeper contact with nature. Environment is our greatest treasure, and taking care of it is no longer a privilege, but an important duty. With Enki Stove Wild, you can do your part in saving our planet by taking no compromises.
Outside. It's been our motto since day one, because getting outside helps you reconnect to what matters. Whether it's who you're with or where you are, a sense of adventure or just relaxation, we're here to help you get there. We're Solo Stove, and fire is what we do best. Wherever, whenever. Compact, efficient, durable. And all you need is wood. That's right, no gas, just wood. Less smoke, less hassle, way less hassle. And a flame so clean, you'd never guess you were using wood. We've made products for the backcountry, the car camper, and the backyard. But when it came to our largest fire pit, we noticed one size did not fit all. You asked us for a bigger flame, and that's what we made. Introducing the Solo Stove Yukon, the biggest fire pit we've made yet. Same amazing flames, same efficient design, just way bigger. But a lot of you asked for something smaller, for travelers and city dwellers. So we sized down the original fire pit to fit with you wherever you go. Introducing the Solo Stove Ranger. Same powerful flame, smaller footprint, perfect for life on the road and life in the city. This is Kickstarter number 3. In 2014, you funded our first production of the campfire, and in 2016, you were the ones who brought the bonfire to life. We make things we want to use, and we get our inspiration from you, our backers. We want to keep making products that help you get outside and reconnect to what matters, whatever that is for you. So thank you for giving us the opportunity to keep doing what we love. And whatever you do, make sure to get outside.
This is the BioLite PizzaDome, a cooking accessory for the BioLite base camp that transforms your stove into a wood-fired oven. The PizzaDome comes with 3 key components, and setup is easy. Ensure the lever is in the closed position, remove the grill grate and replace with the triangle base and stone, and start up the base camp with kindling and fire starter. Add the lid and wait 5 to 10 minutes for your stone to heat up. Slide on your dough, and in minutes, you've got wood-fired pizza to feed your whole crew. The dome can also be used separately as a way to concentrate heat while grilling. Plus, with the base camp's thermoelectric technology, you've got usable electricity to light your cooktop or charge your gear. Perfect for the beach, backyard, or tailgate. Make pizza anywhere with the BioLite PizzaDome. We're BioLite, and we love fire. A campfire is all about gathering round, but the smoke that comes with it can often get in the way of sticking around. It's time to upgrade your fire with the BioLite FirePit. A Bluetooth-controlled wood-burning system that can cook your meals and create an outdoor floating fire without any of the smoke. Central to the BioLite FirePit is the advanced airflow system. An integrated fan injects the fire with air across 51 jets, dramatically improving combustion by burning particulate matter before it has a chance to escape the fire, so you can go from spark to smokeless in under 30 seconds. The result? No more shuffling around your campfire to avoid plumes of smoke. Unlike typical fire pits you might encounter, the fire pit features X-ray mesh, giving you a 360-degree view of your flames and creating the feel of a floating fire in nighttime conditions. The high-temp coated steel chamber can hold up to 4 pieces of cordwood at a time, and with the hyper-efficient burn, you get a roaring campfire with half the fuel typically required, so you can do more with less. Control the strength of your flames from the palm of your hand with the free BioLite app that talks to your airflow system to modulate fan speeds. The more air you introduce, the hotter the fire. The airflow pack can provide up to 24 hours of clean burning on a single charge, and it detaches for easy recharging via micro USB. Utilize the USB port on the side to connect BioLite lighting for a perfect outdoor setup. And when you're not burning, that same USB port doubles as a power bank, offering power in a pinch to your other devices. Ready for the beach, the backyard, and beyond, the fire pit's folding legs and the solar cover's integrated straps make it easy to transport. If you can carry a cooler to your favorite outdoor spot, you can carry this no problem. Looking to cook with your campfire? We got you covered. The fire pit's dual fuel system can accommodate both charcoal or burn your firewood down to embers. And with the included grate top, your system transforms instantly into a hibachi-style grill for epic outdoor meals. Fire captivates us, warms us, feeds us, and gathers us. It's one of our oldest tools, and it's time for it to evolve. Discover the BioLite FirePit.